welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch today's video, because today I'm going to show you how to make a wall canvas photo for less than $3 with items I got from the Dollar Tree. Let's get started. Alright, so here we go. All you're going to need today is a canvas board from the Dollar Tree, and I got black, but they also do sell white. That is your color preference on how you want the edge to look or what color. By all means, you can also get the white one and paint the side if you like or choose to. So we have the canvas board, also an 8x10 of my lovely children. And I actually got the 8x10 from Walgreens, and I had a coupon for a free 8x10, so this portrait actually cost me nothing. And then also all you're going to need is some Mod Podge. All right. All right, so all you're going to do is take the Mod Podge, spread it around the canvas. The generous amount will help. Take your brush and spread it generously over the canvas. You can always add more if you need to, and you want to try to get as close to the edge as you can, because you're going to want that photo to stick very well. And if you happen to make a little bit of a mess, once you have the photo on the canvas, you can just take a baby wipe or a towel, maybe just wet it just a little bit and clean off the edges. You want to try not to get your fingers too sticky. Look, I've got some on my finger right now, only because you're going to have to touch the photo. All right. Once the entire canvas is covered, make sure my hands are clean, just wipe them off a little bit. And take the photo and place it carefully on the canvas. Oop, you know what I just noticed? Hold on, a little bit right there. There we go. You just kind of have to line it up, make sure the edges are right there, and it will move. It won't dry right away. So you can kind of line it up. That looks good. All right. Also, you want to make sure your surface is clean, because I find it easy to flip it over and make sure you get the back and press it down, because that's going to help the Mod Podge and the portrait to adhere together. Once that's done, just a little extra here just to make sure it stayed straight, because sometimes the photo will move, and then you can just adjust it the way you need it. I usually just take a clean piece of paper towel, just kind of lightly and gently clean it up, get the sides a little bit, and the Mod Podge will dry clear. And so if you do get a little bit on the photo or the edges of your canvas, no worries, it will dry clear. Just make sure it's on. And again, if you want to make sure that it's really on there, you can always flip it over and place something hard on top. usually something flat and maybe a little bit bigger, let's say a book, and then that way it adheres and dries very nicely. All right, and really, that is it. All I have to do now is wait for the glue to dry, and I can hang it up. Let's show you how it looks, the end result. All right, here we go. This is my end project, my new gallery wall, which I do plan on adding a few more photos to it. But this is the start, and I think it came out really well. I used the same technique that I showed you guys to make the 8x10 to make a few more 8x10s and 5x7s. And you can do that too. You can probably get, I think the Dollar Tree only sells 8x10s and 5x7s. They might do 4x6s, but not anything bigger than that, at least not for the $1.25. I think if you go into the, I guess, more expensive aisles, because some of the Dollar Trees are Dollar Tree Plus, they might have bigger canvases, so you can do the same thing. Or you can also just go to Michael's or Hobby Lobby and they sell them too. But I'm really happy with how it came out. Well guys, that is it for today's video. I really do hope you liked it. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.